Glenn here with a special guest to help me share a few words about the original song you're about to hear. Meet Bella the Cockapoo. She's very happy to be here to help us celebrate the character trait of respect with a song called The Golden Rule. The Golden Rule is awesome. We treat everyone the way we would like to be treated. And we hope you enjoy it.
Let's sing about our elementary. Here we learn and here we go to school. In the hallways and classrooms always, we celebrate the golden rule. We know the golden rule. When we say it, we mean it. We treat everyone the way we would like to be treated. We celebrate the golden rule. Honesty, responsibility, accepting and respecting here at school, in the hallways and classrooms always.